What's going on, my friends? Chris here. Want to bring you all an update today at ADA, Cardano. And what we're going to be looking at here is the future outlook for Cardano, the way that I could see it happening, guys. And, you know, I'm not a fortune teller. I'm just going to look at it in terms of the charts and how I potentially want to start planning for a little bit longer term position if Cardano starts hitting some of these lower prices that we could be looking at here. So if you guys get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Just want to go through a few things with you here. First of all, I think Cardano is a great project. I think it's going to do really well. And that's not to say Ethereum's not great, Solana, all those. Guys, I'm not about competing or the tribalism in cryptocurrency. I'm just looking at this and saying this is one that I do think has been suppressed and in this downtrend for so long that it could be getting ready in the next bull market to make really nice moves. And, you know, if you look out there, guys, I don't watch a lot of YouTube videos, but I've seen in the past how people are saying Cardano to $100, stuff like that. I don't know if that's realistic. I think a realistic target for the next bull market cycle top for Cardano would be anywhere from around $7 up to about that $14 or $15 if things went as planned. I mean, you look at Bitcoin, how it went from 20,000 up to around that 70,000, Ethereum from 1,400 up to around that 4,800. So I do feel like Cardano, if it did have nice performance, could maybe get up into that $7, $8, $9 range, right up in that area. And right now we're looking at it at 37 cents. So this isn't me saying, hey, I think this is time to go all in or anything like that. But if you believe in the project and you're long-term dollar cost averaging into this and you're waiting for that trend to change and get into the next bull market cycle, this isn't a bad spot to slowly start accumulating and work your way down. The big accumulation area that I would be looking at for a larger position, if we did get down to this area, would be roughly around like 16 to 17 cents, all the way down to 12 cents. And what you can see is this point of control right here, this red line. That's a big area for us, and that's going to be around 15 cents. So at 15 cents, I would feel even more confident, obviously, than at this 37 cents. But I do think this is a nice area to where you can start putting small orders in and work your way down if we do go lower. Now, if Cardano finds a bottom where we're at right now, and what you can see here, guys, on our cipher, we haven't seen this come in a long time. We have this gold buy bull right down in here. You can look all the way back, and you don't see it anywhere through here. So this is a big deal that this did come in on this cipher, or VWAP's at positive 10.91 right now, so that's good. That's something that you want to see, that VWAP gaining strength. Money flow still is negative 7.34, so we want to watch that, and the relative strength is at 41 right now. First, we need to get over that critical 40 level, and then that 50 will show the strength for us here. But what we're looking for is that trend to change, and this bottoming out process that we've been in for quite a while here, and just been forming as we've been moving sideways. But Cardano led the way to the downside. It started its bear market earlier than other coins, so it may start its bull market a little bit earlier as well, and that's something that I've been paying attention to. But stepping back and looking at this here, guys, you know, things in terms of prices, they're not going to go crazy overnight. That's typically not how it happens. It's going to take time, and you have to wait and be patient in this market. I really think patience and accumulating at lower levels and not holding, I wouldn't say hodling, guys, because you can obviously see what happens if you just hold through here. I think time selling in terms of position trading is one of the best ways to play this game. So really accumulating at these low areas and then selling off into that strength. Not saying I'm going to hold forever, but taking advantage of these big upward moves that happen. When anything goes vertical and it doesn't build that support, it's going to come straight back down. It always happens. So taking profits into that is one of the best things that you can do. So stepping back here, guys, say we do get a nice move. What Cardano would need to do here, ADA, we would need to get up through roughly about 46 cents. And then we'd be up to about that 67 cents are going to be major resistance areas. And then the big one here, you can see this. This would be at about $1.20. So this is the main area here. If we get a really nice strong upside move, I feel like we could go to that area there before we get a nice retracement, and then obviously try to go higher in the longer term outlook of the next bull market here. But that'd be a big area to get through. If you can crack 120, then that really opens up the door to try to test new all-time highs. And guys, I know this could take a year or more to even get back to those prices, but it's something that you want to plan for and you want to prepare for. Take a look. People were saying the same thing back here. It had a massive spike, right? We talked about taking profits into that. And then look what happened. In all this time where we were moving sideways, it's dead, it's never coming back. And then look what happened. Take a look at these percentage gains here. So guys, from around the low there, you're talking about 18,000% in terms of gain. So people who were preparing and planning down in this area, they were the ones who hopefully capitalized when we made these really big spikes to the upside. So now we may have a similar opportunity here. Yes, we could go lower and sideways for quite a while, but eventually if this coin is going to continue and do well in the crypto space, it's going to have another bull market, and we could really see some nice legs to the upside here, and it happens fast. Guys, one thing that's nice here, this bars pattern, if we take it from the bottom to the top, get a rough estimate. So say we even had a move like this come in at some point. And that would take us all the way back up to $2.30, and that happens roughly in about a month and a half. So that's how fast ADA likes to move here. So just planning, preparing, guys. You know, I don't think we're going to go to $100 next bull market cycle, but I could see some 5, 8, 10, somewhere right in that range could happen. And if this is a coin you really believe in and you want to stake it, this isn't a bad opportunity. So, you know, once a week or so, guys, I'm going to do these videos. Tell me if you like it down low, and we'll pick a coin and kind of just look at that longer term outlook for the next bull market. A realistic look at it is what I want to do. So if you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know your opinion down low. God bless and take care.